Structural loads are the forces and stresses on the aircraft's parts caused by flight, maneuvers, turbulence, landing impacts, and other operational conditions that push, pull, bend, or twist the airframe. Flight loads are loads acting on the aircraft while airborne, like lift and gusts. And ground loads are loads encountered on runways, taxiways, and during takeoff landing impacts. The limit load is the highest load an aircraft is expected to see in normal operation, the maximum anticipated force the structure should handle without permanent damage. The ultimate load is the limit load times a safety factor, typically 1.5, and the structure must support this without catastrophic failure, even if it can deform under that extreme stress. Safety margins are built into aircraft structures to account for uncertainties, wind gusts, manufacturing variations, material inconsistencies, and unexpected stresses, so the airplane stays safe even beyond expected conditions. Pilots are trained, and aircraft are certificated to stay well inside structural limits so that even severe maneuvers or turbulence don't ever bring loads close to where they might harm the airframe. Even in aggressive flight conditions or unexpected turbulence, a certified aircraft structure is engineered to be well beyond what everyday flying will ever expose it to.